Hello and welcome to the unboxing of Sony MDR ZX310AP earphones. These earphones are low cost and they cost around 550 crowns, Czech crowns, which is around 20 euros. So these are wired earphones. It means they don't have Bluetooth, since we all know that wired earphones have better sound quality than the Bluetooth earphones. The frequency that they can play is between 10 and 24,000 hertz. This is the receipt. And here they are. I needed earphones like these, so I decided to go for Sony, which is a known brand for earphones. I already owned several Sony earphones, and they were exceptional. Well, these are a bit on the cheaper side, but nonetheless, all the reviews are excellent. Okay, so let's open this. I need to cut it here. Okay. Huh. Okay. Pretty neatly packed. Hard to get out. Okay. And inside this is a small instruction manual, probably in several languages. Yeah, I can already see Portuguese, Polish, blah, blah, blah. These is also some sort of manual, which nobody cares about. Why would we need a manual for simple earphones? So let's take them out and review them. So it's all budget earphones. These are made of plastic. This thing here is pretty shiny, and they can be folded so they're easier to carry. Okay. The cable should be like standard 1.5 meter long. Let's just untangle this. And they come with the standard 3.5 inch jack. They have one button and probably a microphone, so you can use them with your telephone.